Hi, my name's Dawn Kennington, and welcome to Miss Kennington's math class. We're going to be doing a second grade lesson, and today we're going to be working on fractions. Do any of you guys know what a fraction is, or have you ever even heard of one? No? Okay, well, the definition of a fraction is a number that's not a whole number or not a whole object. Okay? There are two parts to a fraction. Okay, we're going to have the numerator, which is going to be the top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number. We're going to work on some fractions, and we're also going to do a little activity to help you better understand what a fraction is. This is a representation of 1/4 of an object. This is a circle, and you notice that it has 4 pieces cut out of it, just kind of like a pie, and one piece of it is shaded. That is 1 out of the 4 pieces is shaded. The one piece that is shaded is the numerator, and the 4 pieces of the whole object is going to be the denominator always. If you have a whole object and both pieces or the whole object is shaded in, that is going to be a whole number. That's going to equal 1. Where 2 halves equals 1 whole. Okay. Now we're going to go over a couple more fractions that I have for you guys today. We've already discussed 1/4. That is 1 out of 4 pieces is shaded in. This is another one. The same object is cut into 4 pieces. 2 out of the 4 pieces are shaded in, so that is 1/2 or 2/4. This one is the same object that has 4 pieces cut out of it as well, and 1, 2, 3 out of the 4 is shaded. That is 3/4. And again, guys, always remember that the number that is shaded in is always the top number, which is the numerator. And the 4 pieces, which is what the object is cut into, is always the denominator. Okay, so everyone is going to get one of these. We've got a blank circle with 4 pieces cut into it. But you notice that they're all blank, so we're all going to make our own fractions. Some of you guys are going to get a paper, if you would like, that already has a circle cut into it. And then, once we've done that, we are going to move on to a plate where we're going to get to draw our own fractions. Okay, now that everyone has one of these, we're going to draw our fractions. This is our blank page. So we're going to practice drawing or shading in 1/4 of the circle. Everybody, let's shade in 1/4 and write it next to our object. Is everyone done? Okay, we have 1 out of the 4 pieces that is shaded. Is this correct? Does this look like 1/4? Good job. Okay, we're going to do one more example, and then we'll be able to draw our own fractions on your own, and I'm going to walk around and help you guys and make sure you're understanding the concept. Now, let's shade in 1/2 of the circle. If you have 4 pieces, how many is 1/2? Does anybody know? 2. Right. 1/2 of 4 is 2. So you're going to shade in 2 parts of your whole. Just like that. You can shade in any of the 4 pieces that you would like. They don't have to be right next to each other. As long as 2 out of the 4 is shaded, that is 1/2. What if I pull this back to you guys? Do you remember what this is? 2 out of 2 shaded? That equals 1. Good job. All right, now that everyone has a plate and a marker, we're going to draw our own fractions. Give me a fraction that you guys would like to draw. 3/4. Okay, everybody draw 3/4 on your plate. Is this correct? It's not correct. Why is it not correct? Because only one is shaded in? Oh, okay. So for 3/4, we're supposed to shade in 3 of the 4 pieces. Okay. Does this look better? Great. This is 3/4. 3 of the 4 pieces are shaded in. Okay, now that everyone understands the concept of fractions, we're going to continue on with this lesson for a while, but let me review to make sure that everybody understands, and if you have any questions, let me know. What is this? 3/4. Okay, what is the top number? The numerator, correct. And what is the bottom number? The denominator, correct. What if I gave you this shape that was a circle with your pieces cut into it, but none was shaded? 0. Good job. Always remember that 2/2 or the whole object is shaded. That means that it's one whole.